In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear wheel bearing module on your G35 Infiniti. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the rear wheel. Using a 19mm, remove the caliper bolts. Remove the caliper. We're going to hang this somewhere so there's no tension on the brake hose. Remove the brake rotor. We're going to remove the cotter pin from the axle. Using a 32mm socket, remove the axle nut. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to undo the wheel bearing bolts and push the axle towards me to give myself a little bit more room. And then break the bolts free. Remove those bolts. I'm going to use an air hammer and go through the front and put my chisel on one of the ears of the wheel bearing, and we're going to twist it inside of the knuckle. With our bearing slightly twisted, hopefully the corrosion is broken enough that we can tap on the side of the hub while avoiding our studs, and it should knock out. Then remove the wheel bearing assembly. Using a wire brush or wheel, we're going to clean the inside of the knuckle. Using the round end of a hammer, I'm going to put it on the back side of the hub and then hit that with another hammer and pop the hub out of the bearing. And that's why we had a bungee cord tied to that. Using a cutoff wheel, I'm going to cut the inner race off. Once I'm most of the way through, I'm going to put a chisel in there and tap it with a hammer. Pull the inner race off. While supporting the inside bearing, we're going to press the hub into the wheel bearing module It'll bottom out. And then it's ready to go. Install the wheel bearing assembly onto the car. Make sure that the bolt holes are lined up. Install the wheel bearing bolts. I'm just going to make them hand tight for now. Just kind of get them started. Go ahead and snug them down. I like to go in a cross pattern just to make sure everything is going to sit square. Torque the wheel bearing bolts to 69 foot-pounds. Snug down the axle nut. Going to use a pry bar to hold the studs while we torque the axle nut. We're going to be torquing this to 202 foot-pounds. Install the cotter pin. And bend it around. Install the brake rotor. Grab your caliper. Put it into place. And then we'll install the bracket bolts. Install the bracket bolts. Snug them down. Torque these bolts to 57 to 72 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Start the lug nuts. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the 5 lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.